Alright. Hey guys, and welcome back to... Actually, you've never played it, so welcome to Bloons TD Battle 6. Now, I am playing this game, and as you can see on the top right, I've already started because I have a failed video like that, but nobody needs to know about that. So, let's get this started on level 38. Well, the bottom of the next folks, and we see a Farmer Joe is doing his daily work. And right next to him is Mortimer Monkey. He is doing his best. And then we have...
Here comes a big one!
He is the best. Some people call him Sally, even though his name is Sally, but nobody cares about his name, so we're gonna ignore him. Oh, it's half court, everybody. It's half court. Oh my gosh, it's the all-star super player, Super Monkey. What is he doing? You're gonna go next to Pat. You're going right there, Super Monkey. Do your job as the Super Monkey of the Superest Monkey. And catch. Alright, so you... There we go. You'll fit right in, Super Monkey. I knew the Ninja Monkey couldn't handle it alone.
Watch out!
He couldn't handle it at all. We're losing money. Wait, no, we're gaining money. But we're losing hearts, which eventually will cause us to lose money. Whether we upgrade this guy to Bloons or is it the lazy way, which is the way I am doing it. Back to the game, folks. It seems Farmer Joe has an upgraded farm. He's working hard, and Mortimer Monkey has been, well, he's been very angry at Farmer Joe because he's been making a lot of leaf noises over there. And you might be thinking, but the mortar makes even louder noise. Well, this is a really stealthy mortar. It's one of the stealthiest mortars in the world. It doesn't do anything when it shoots. So, Farmer Joe, I don't care about you. That's all Mortimer wanted me to tell you. Well, it's back to the folks, and alright, I was gonna upgrade this guy. These are two brothers from different backgrounds.
Target!
Make it work. Too bad
Ready?
Bloons Monkey Football puppet. I don't know. They're the two strongest on our team. How we doing over there, Farmer Joe? Making a little noise? I hope so. Alright, I'm done with the football, It's time we do
Oh! Yeah!
This is Bomber the Bommy. Bommy the Bomber. Rusty, you're doing great. Who can tell me how to fire this guy? Alright. Now that that's dealt with, my web is yellow, slower than what they are. Oh, we're gonna get Gandalf in here. Gonna take a long time to get Gandalf. Gandalf is the legendary archmage of old times. I feel like if you put somebody in those blimps while they were burning and, you know, speeding really fast, it would be like, it would kind of feel like a crashing rocket. The next time Moab comes behind me, make that I'm gonna make them go, we're crashing down! Somebody help me!
Busticated!
I don't like it. I imagine it's way tougher than what it is. But I guess it's more as they say.
What next?
As they say, what next? He keeps on interrupting me while I'm stating the facts. Not the folks. I would love to state the book though if you would. Alright, fine, I'll stop. Jeez. You don't need to get so mad at me.
Yes!
You don't need to be so happy about it either.
You ready?
Yeah, stupid. Can you stop talking in that voice?
See that? Busticated!
Oh my god! Alright, keep your calm. Keep your calm. Alright, we're almost done.
Rush
We need
it!
2 more rounds. And we need to finally retire. Live on this Full Metal Alchemist. It's like Full Metal Alchemist. That was a joke. I've never watched that anime. One last round. We're almost there.
Get them!
The final countdown. Ba-da-bam-bam.
Target, see that? Busticated!
We did it! Ooh, I can finally retire. Alright. That was Bloons TD Battle 6 Football mode. I wasn't expecting to go football mode, but you know what they say. Get them!